So the Philosophy Club, we met up. It's 29th of July. About four or five of us got together today and started with recommendations for philosophy. Um, I'm going to place these recommendations up in the Google class. I think there's a lot to go with there, and I'd like to build a bit of a resource as well. We talked a bit about how books and literature can often explore the big questions of life. We talked about Stoicism and The Good Place and The Pursuit of Wonder, which is a podcast that you can look up. Then we considered if it's okay to keep a squirrel as a pet. We don't know anything about squirrels. I've never seen one or heard of one. It's a totally made up word. There's no such thing as squirrels. But what would make it okay or not okay to keep a squirrel as a pet? And I think we really got somewhere with this. I think we looked at the idea of sentient creatures. We looked at the idea of communication and affection, and also obedience associated with pets. Um, we didn't get an absolute answer, but I think we got closer towards what it might be, particularly with considering examples or counterexamples. And finally, we had a look at this website, which is called, if you just Google PhiloQuest and the University of Montreal, they've just put it up. It's an exhausting list of philosophical activities that you can do in your own time. All you do is you jump on and choose a concept that you're living and experiencing and want to explore a little bit, like solidarity. Oh, solitude, that's the one that we choose. And we chose to do an ice stretching activity. And we tried to imagine what it would look like or feel like to meet solitude, the concept, as a living creature, what they would say and what they would do. And we came up with some ideas. We thought that it would be quite introspective, quite calm and collective, and probably living away somewhere in the wilderness, and probably not very interested in taking your call, and probably looks a bit like a shadow as well. So thanks everyone. Um, we'll probably meet again in a couple of weeks' time, every 2 weeks. Um, keep the ideas and the questions coming in the Google class because that's where everything starts. And remember to question everything. Sorry, remember to question everything. That's what philosophy is all about. And to consider reasons and the best reasons because they're the best.